Next, we're going to learn how to do text wrap. They call it floating because the image or whatever you have the text wrapping around floats over on the side. So for example, you've got things like this where the image kind of floats over on the side. It does make a big difference in the way that the page looks. You just have to remember that a website is not a term paper. So putting in images and other little things to kind of spice up your content area really do make it better looking. Let's see here. I'm going to paste in a bunch of text. Paste. And then I'm going to get an image from over on the side. Any image will do. I'm just going to grab this picture of Ron and I'm going to throw him in right like, yeah. There's Ron. Now notice that the image comes in as an inline image, meaning it's acting like it's in the line of text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go make a float. I hit the little piece of paper with the plus. I'm going to call this one left float. Doesn't matter what you call it. Hit OK. Float is found under the box section over on the side. So I'm going to go over to float. I'm going to say you float on the left. And I'm going to set up a margin so the text doesn't jam up against. Maybe I'll put like 4 pixels on the top to push it down to the text level. Over on the right, maybe I'll have 10 pixels. I'm just making it up. When I hit OK, I'm still going to have to apply it. So I click the image. And in images, the classes are down over in the left-hand corner because they wanted to hide them from you. So I go choose left float, and check it out, the text floats around it. Pretty cool, right? So you can have a left float or a right float. The trick is, remember that the float is a class and that you apply it to the image or the thing floating over on the side. Later, just so you know, we're going to use floats to stack CSS boxes, they call them divs, up next to each other, and that's how you build a CSS layout.